بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. Welcome my dear students. Today inshallah we are going to have a panoramic overview of Unit 4, which is going to be divided into two parts. The first part is the conversation class along with some vocabulary and related workbook exercises, and the second part will be continued with grammar and more vocabulary. Let's get started today. We start our class with a conversation. Okay. Now, having had a look on this conversation, it is between Asma and Nora. Now, what are they talking about? Let's read the conversation together. What are you watching? That game show with the teams of cooks. You know, the one where contestants need to prepare a 4-course meal as a team, plate it and serve it to the judges. Why would anyone want to compete in this kind of show? What do they get out of it? I don't know how you can watch this stuff. It's boring. I get a kick out of it. Look, he's going to decorate that dish with flowers. I can't believe he's going to put flowers on a meat dish. That's crazy. Why don't we turn off the TV and do something else? No way. Don't touch that remote. It bugs me to watch this. They pretend to be top chefs, but I'm positive they won't be allowed to do more than fry a couple of eggs after the end of the show. And they also pretend to be all friendly with each other. I don't know. Some of them seem to know what they are doing. I'm telling you, that contestant there is waiting for a chance to show off. He doesn't care about his teammates. He's in to win for himself. Alright. Now, in this conversation, we get out with some very useful expressions. What does Nora mean when she says, I get a kick out of it? Have a look. When I say I get a kick out of it, it means I enjoy it. Remote is a short form for remote control. Bugs means a noise. All means very or completely. Come on. Couch potato, someone who watched too much TV. Nah is for no. Okay. Well, so these are some everyday English life, or everyday life English rather. Okay. That's right. It seems that the two girls are disputing concerning one of the TV shows. It's about a cooking contest in which the chefs are asked to present a 4-course meal, plate it and present it to the judges so that they can, control the contest and say who will win the show at the end. Okay. In fact, in the last stage, or recently, of TV shows, cooking programs were abundant, really, and these contests in particular. So, yes, the two girls are disputing. One of them is getting bugged by watching such programs, and the other is on the contrary of her. She enjoys these programs. She gets a kick out of them. Okay. Moving to page 59, we've got a vocabulary exercise. You will see the words and the reading on pages 60 and 61. Match the words with their meanings. Okay. Now, evolution, distinct, prototype, transmit, patent, milestone, and affluence. What do you think, gentlemen? Okay, evolution is the gradual change and development of an idea. تطور, evolution. Okay, like the theory of evolution. Right. Distinct is the same as letter G, clearly different. مميز, distinct, outstanding. Prototype. Prototype is a model used to test a new machine, car, etc. A prototype. Yeah, it's a model used for testing. Transmit. Number 4 is goes with letter F, send out. يرسل. And number 5, patent. What is patent? It goes with the letter E, obtain the right to make or sell a new invention or product. Patent يعني يحصل على براءة اختراع. When we go to number 6, milestone, goes with definition in letter D, you know, a very important event in the development of something. Number 7, affluence, goes with letter A, having plenty of money and positions. Okay. Right. It's very important to know about the definitions of words. The definitions of new vocabulary make them lasting and enduring in your memory. Yeah, so if you know the definitions of words in simple English, you get to memorize them more and remember them. Okay, moving on to, yes, this activity on page 37 of your workbook. Okay, so we are asked to get our workbooks out now. On page 37, these are some scrambled words, and here we've unscrambled them. Broadcast, contestants. Who are contestants? People who compete in a contest. So a contest can be a cooking contest, a quiz show contest, a cultural contest, and so many things. Okay. Version, a copy. Version. Prosperous is wealthy, rich, prosperous. Award, award. He got a prestigious award in English literature. Plot, a story. حبكة, قصة. Okay. Move on to page 37. Write the words from exercise A above their synonyms. When I say this is a confusing mystery, I can also say this is a puzzling mystery. Number 1, they will air the TV show tomorrow night. It's the same as when I say they will broadcast the TV show tomorrow night at 8, okay? The story is about aliens. The story is about aliens that come to Earth. The plot is about aliens that come to Earth. Okay? There are only 2 competitors left, and there are only 2 contestants left. I like the graphics variation of that computer game. I like the graphics version of that computer game. The winner gets a cash prize. The winner gets an award. There are many wealthy people who work in that television industry. There are many prosperous people who work in a television industry. Okay. Another exercise is on page 38, and this time we review the DOs and the IOs, the direct objects and the indirect objects. Camilla gave the laptop to Sarah. Now, the laptop is the direct object, the thing, and Sarah is the indirect object, the person. This comes after the preposition, to or for. She told me a secret. Okay. Where is the do and the io here? The secret is the do, and me is the io. He wrote the poem for his wife. Again, the poem is the do and his wife is the io. Josh cooked us dinner. Okay, dinner and us. And so on. I sent the producer a letter. I sent the producer a letter. Will you make me some coffee? Okay. Now, let's move on to another activity. And this is going to be on page 39 again. Page 39. And rewrite the sentences another way. Change the order of the direct and indirect objects. Could you give me that remote control? Could you give that remote control to me? They opened it for me. Okay. We cannot make this another way. He lent his car to a friend. He lent a friend his car. And so on. Matt gave pictures to his fans. Matt gave his fans pictures. Will you fix it for me? Not possible, because all of these two objects are pronouns. We cannot do it the other way around. Sarah translated the show for us. Okay. It's not possible. The host gave the guest star a cup of coffee. The host gave a cup of coffee to the guest star. Another activity is on your workbook, page 39. And these are the prepositions we need to complete here. Fahad, is that you? Yes, it's me. I don't have the address of the stationery store. Can you give it to me? You mean you haven't bought the paper and paints that we need? You can't just expect me to make this poster on my own without any material. Carson, you promised not to speak to me. I promised what? So on. So these are prepositions 2 and 4. And these are the answers. In another activity, activity F on your workbooks as well, we're asked here to correct the errors in each sentence. Elena prepared us dinner for, it doesn't work like this. We say Elena prepared dinner for us. He sold me it. He sold it to me. Maria opened him the box. Maria opened the books for him. Yeah. My parents bought a computer. My parents bought a computer. Okay. Computer me no. My parents bought a computer for me. Okay. Can you cash me the check? Can you cash the check for me? Okay. Now, John turned off for his dad. Turned on for his dad the TV. No, John turned on the TV for his dad. And so on. So, if you are familiar, if you get familiar with the structure, you speak good language. The last exercise of this class is the everyday life expressions. All, bug, come on, couch potato, get a kick off, nah. What are you doing tomorrow at 2 p.m.? I'll be in the library. Forget the library. Come check out the final episode of Our World with me. A game show? Are you serious? They bug me. I don't like them at all. Oh, come on. They're great. I get a kick out of them. You're such a couch potato. No, I'm not. I do other things. You don't have to be all mean. I'm sorry. So what do you say? Want to watch it? No. I have a lot of studying to do anyway. Well, my dear students, thank you so much for following me and being with me in each class. I would like you to review it and refer to the lesson summary for the PDF copy. And if you have any questions, contact me on the school website. Thank you. See you. Bye.